Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to create your own unique logo with high resolution for free. Let's roll the intro. Open Chrome. Type Logo Maker. Link will be given in the description. Select your logo type. Type name of the logo. I'll type gaming as an example. Choose your logo style. Choose your logo font. Choose your logo layouts. Select the logo you like. I'll choose this as an example. You can edit your logo the way you want or leave it as default. It is up to you. Save your logo after editing is done. You cannot save this image on your computer. I'll go to the back page and see if I can save the image. I can save this image, but it is black in color. I'll delete it. Log in with your account. If you don't have one, you can create it. You can see, you need to pay for downloading your logo with high resolution. If you continue with free, you may not get your logo with high resolution. You can see this image here on top left corner of this page. You can save it, but the file will not open. Now, follow my steps carefully. Right-click on this image. And save it as all files. Type your logo name with .png written alongside and save it. Now you can see, the image is saved and I can open it. It has a high resolution too. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more helpful videos. Thank you and bye bye.